Hello, everyone. Today I have a story for you. Listen to it and try to understand it. If you're a beginner, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Try to listen and learn. Let's get started. A 33-year-old nurse named Alba had a quiet life. She worked long hours at a busy hospital and spent her free time with her cat. One day, a new doctor named Michael joined their workplace. He was handsome and friendly and quickly became the favorite doctor of all the nurses. He always made them laugh and never seemed to be in a bad mood. One evening, Michael asked Alba if she wanted a ride home. He insisted even though she told him she could take care of herself. Soon, Alba found herself looking forward to Michael's rides. They would talk for hours about anything and everything. He was funny and charming and made her laugh like no one else. For the first time in her life, Alba felt seen and appreciated by a man. She began to develop strong feelings for him. Then one night, after dropping Alba off at her apartment, Michael finally asked her out on a real date. He took her to a cozy Italian restaurant where they shared a bottle of wine and talked until late. Over the next few weeks, Alba and Michael became inseparable. They went on romantic dates, met each other's families, and exchanged love confessions. Everything seemed perfect, but there was a problem. Michael never mentioned his wife. Alba knew he was married, but she chose to ignore it. She convinced herself that he wasn't happy in his marriage and that he was with her because he wanted to be with someone who loved and appreciated him. One afternoon, while shopping with her friend Sarah, Alba saw Michael and another woman entering a jewelry store. The woman was beautiful and elegant, and Alba's heart sank. As they got closer, Alba realized that the woman was Michael's wife, Laura. She couldn't believe she had been so blind. All this time, Michael had been hiding his wife from her. Later that week, Alba confronted Michael. She asked him why he hadn't told her about his wife and why he had been seeing her. He confessed that he wasn't happy in his marriage and that he had been seeing Alba because he needed someone to make him happy. He said he never meant to hurt her and that he was willing to leave Laura for Alba. Alba was torn. She loved Michael and didn't want to lose him, but she also couldn't accept being with a married man. She sought advice from Sarah, who listened patiently and offered words of support. Sarah told her that she deserved better than Michael and that he wasn't worth her tears. With Sarah's support, Alba began to see things more clearly. She realized that Michael was only interested in her body and that he wasn't capable of loving her the way she deserved. She ended things with him and asked him to sort out his problems with his wife. It was hard at first, but with time, Alba moved on. She threw herself into her work and spent more time with friends and family. She even started going to therapy to help her heal from the emotional trauma of the situation. One day, Alba ran into Michael at the grocery store. He looked haggard and defeated. He tried to talk to her, but she ignored him. She knew that he was only trying to get back into her life and she wasn't going to let him. As the years passed, Alba's life became better. She found a new man who loved and respected her. She also reconnected with her passion for helping others. Looking back, she realized that her ordeal with Michael had been a blessing in disguise. It had taught her the importance of self-respect and the strength she possessed. So what did we learn from this story? Number 1. First impressions matter. In the story, Michael's friendly demeanor and good looks made him popular among the nurses instantly. Even though Alba was initially doubtful that someone like Michael would pay any attention to her, his charm and charisma made him stand out, and she eventually fell for him. This shows that first impressions can be powerful and that it's important to look beyond physical appearance. Number 2. Shared experiences build emotional intimacy. The rides home from work and conversations between Alba and Michael helped them form a bond. This emotional intimacy laid the foundation for their romantic relationship. Number 3. People can lead compartmentalized lives. Michael hid his marriage from Alba, showing that people can keep important aspects of their personal lives private, even from those they're involved with. Number 4. Comparison can hurt your self-worth. When Alba saw Michael with his wife, she felt inadequate and unsure of herself. This shows that comparison is a natural human tendency, but it's important to remember that everyone has their own unique qualities. Number 5. Communication is crucial in difficult situations. Alba's decision to talk to Michael about his feelings and intentions helped clarify their relationship and brought closure to their story. Number 6. Friends and family can provide valuable advice. Sarah supported Alba emotionally and helped her gain perspective during a difficult time. Number 7. Setting boundaries is essential for self-respect. Alba's choice to end things with Michael and ask him to resolve his issues with his wife showed that she valued her own self-respect and dignity. Thank you for listening to the story. Do you find the story interesting? Which character do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think about the story. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.